I wanted to monitor local emergency communications, and I needed some method to scan trunked radio on my computer. I found the perfect solution on GitHub from a gentleman named Denny Shear. It's github.com/capd/HEIRER/sdr-trunk. In order to install this software on my computer, the very first thing I did was update my computer with a sudo apt-get update. And a sudo apt-get upgrade. And then I went to the web page and I navigated to the downloads section. There's a downloads section right here. We're going to go for this very top release, which as of today, March 2nd, 2019, version 040 Alpha 9 is the latest. It is listed as a not necessarily functional and not necessarily feature complete release, but I've been using it and it is in fact complete. We're going to do the download section here at the bottom, and I'm running Linux, a Linux system, so we're going to download this sdr-trunk 040 Alpha 9 Linux x64 zip. We're going to copy that link and we're going to switch to our terminal and we're going to cd into our downloads. In our downloads, we're going to sudo wget, and then we're going to paste that link location that we just grabbed. That's going to download everything and save it in our downloads folder. And then we're going to unzip the zip file in its current location. So we're going to unzip, well, first let's list and see what's there. Yep, sdr-trunk is the only zip file, so we're going to unzip sdr-trunk, and again I hit tab to finish typing that out for me. sdr-trunk 040 Alpha 9, enter. That's going to unzip it in its place in a new folder. We're going to list the folder. We're going to change directories into that folder, and we're going to list the contents. There is a bin, and as I read up here, the way to get in is to go to the bin directory and then launch sdr-trunk. So we're going to change to our bin directory, and we're going to list the contents. And there are 4 executable files. We were told to execute the one for Linux. So we're going to execute in this folder sdr-trunk without the bat. And it attempts to load. And we have success. The program has loaded.